Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I fill in my eyebrows, and I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in the color Ebony, and I'm going to use the spoolie at the end and brush up the hairs, and then I'm going to start outlining my brow. Now, when you're outlining your brow, you want to make sure that you're using a light hand, like light pressure. You don't want to put too much pressure on the pencil, especially for those who are just starting out learning how to do their brows, because if you put too much pressure on the pencil, your eyebrows can end up looking really, really dark, and you want to go for like a more natural look.
Are you ready for it?
Okay, so now that I'm done filling in my brows, I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to clean my brow up. So any mistakes that you may have made, that's what you use the concealer for, so that way your eyebrow looks nice and neat. Also, if you're just doing your brows and you're not doing anything else, like you're not putting on a full face of makeup, you want to make sure that you're using a concealer that matches your skin tone, or use a foundation. I'm going to be putting on makeup, so it's okay if I look crazy, but for anybody who's just doing brows and leaving the house, make sure that you're using something that matches your skin tone so it won't look crazy. Next, I'm going to be taking the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara, and I'm going to use this just to set the hairs in place so they won't move throughout the day. Also, this gel helps to see if you've missed any spots when you were filling in. So if you have like a light spot, you can go back and fix that. And that's how I do my eyebrows. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will be leaving a list of the products that I use in the description box below. Also, my social media following will be there too. So see you guys later.